Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will see how we can get latest stocks data into Excel and create our own portfolio with real-time stocks data. We can do this only in Microsoft Excel 365 version, as this feature is not available in older versions of Excel. So let's see how we can do so. So our first step would be to get a list or to prepare a list of all the stocks that we want to have in our portfolio. Now let's make a sample of selected 5 stocks. Suppose I take Garware Technical, I take Tata LXG, I take Alkyl Amines, I take suppose Asian Paints, and I can take Varun Beverages. Okay, fine. So next step would be to select the stocks, click on data tab, and under this data tab, in this data types group, select stocks option. Now you can see that in front of all the scripts, a symbol like this is there, and name of the exchange and ticker symbol of the script. Okay. uh, um, and when we click on this symbol, we can see the different data regarding to this stock is available. So we can see brief description of this stock, its price upon earning ratio, its 52-week high, previous close, open, and much more info. So let's see some other options as well, but before that, let's convert it into a table. So let's go to insert tab, click on table, click on OK. So this is converted into a table. Let's change heading of this column as stocks. Okay, and let's also make some changes in the layout of the table. Now suppose I take this one. Okay, then if I select all this list of all the stocks, I can see a symbol like this. Okay, when I click on this, I can see different options available under this stock. Now suppose I want name of the company, list of name of all these companies. So this is there. And if I want to add some more data, I will again click on this symbol. Now suppose I want the industry these companies cater to, so I get the industry. Now if I click on again on this symbol and I want the price of the script, I will click on price, yeah, here it is. Okay. Now suppose if you want 52 weeks high. Okay, another method I am telling you how you can get it. 52, uh, just the moment you type 52 week, you will get these two options. So suppose I select 52 weeks high, I will automatically get this. Okay, and another way you can enter such data is, uh, when you go to any of the cell, you can see at the rate stocks dot industry, and this data is regarding industry. So this indicates that these are all joined through a formula. These are all referenced through a formula. Okay, so suppose equal to, I want Garware Technicals 52 weeks low. Okay, so I get a list and I select, double click 52 weeks low, I press enter. I get a list of 52 weeks low of all the stocks. Now I don't want these two, so I will delete entire column. Okay, fine. Now I want the number of shares bought. Number of shares bought. Okay, now suppose I bought 15 shares of this one, 13 of this one, 10 of this one, 20 of this one, and 9 of this one. Now this is indicated in rupees, so I will change the formatting and change it to general. Okay, number of shares bought. Now here suppose I want my buy price, so I will write buy price, and these two datas are to be entered manually. Rest all will be done by the Excel. Okay, so suppose my buy price in Garware Technical was 2000. My buy price in Tata LXZ was suppose 1800. My buy price in Alkyl Amines was suppose 3050. Okay, my buy price in Asian Paints was suppose 3000. Okay, and my buy price in Varun Beverages was suppose 1200. Okay, so here comes my buy price. Now I want to calculate the total amount invested in all the stocks. So I will write amount invested. How we can calculate this? Simply multiply buy price with the number of shares bought. Okay, press enter. Okay, I think I might have done some old formatting here. Let me remove this clear rule from clear rules from selected cells. Okay, fine. Now I want one more column of portfolio value. What is the current value of my portfolio? Okay, so this can be calculated by number of shares bought, multiply it by current price. So I get the my portfolio value. Now I want to calculate my profit. I made profit or loss. Let's see how was my performance as a fund manager. Profit loss. So this is simply calculated as portfolio value minus your amount invested. Okay. Yes. So I can see that I incurred a loss in just a second. Let me zoom in. I incurred a loss in Asian Paints and Varun Beverages. So how to make it look differentiated? For this we can use conditional formatting. So go in Home tab, under Styles group, click on conditional formatting, and click on highlight cells rule greater than. Now if my value is greater than 0, indicate it with green fill with green text. Okay, and if my portfolio value is less than 0, then fill it with red color. So red color indicates loss and green color indicates profit. Now suppose I want the total profit, how much total profit I made or how much total amount that I invested. So click on table design, and under table design, table style options group, click on total row. Okay, so here we can see that total profit that I made is 20,402. Okay, Now suppose I also want the total of my portfolio value, so I will click on this drop down and select sum. Similarly, for amount invested, select sum, and number of shares, select sum. Okay, so this is how we can create a dynamic portfolio in Excel with the help of this simple function. Okay, and one more thing, that suppose if you want to change the stock exchange, there are two stock exchanges basically in India, BSE, NSE, where stocks are traded. So suppose this we saw earlier that NSE data was taken by the Excel. So we want to change it to BSC. If it is listed on BSC, we can change it via data type, change. Okay, then let me erase this. Press enter, and this gives me the data from two stock exchanges. I have to make a selection, so I select Bombay Stock Exchange, suppose. So this data also changes, prices, my price also changes here. These two data has to be fed manually, and rest data will be updated automatically. And suppose I want to add a new script, so click on insert table row below. Here you can see as nothing has been uh, fed right now, so it shows me field error. Okay, so suppose I enter the company name as suppose Syngene. Okay, so it will automatically generate the data. Now these two data we will have to feed manually. Now suppose I feed 20, I bought 20 stocks and my buying price was suppose 700. Okay, so this automatically alters my rest of the data. I hope you loved the session. It was fruitful for you. It added some value. If it added some value, please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. Thank you guys.